A time zone is a region on Earth which is more or less bounded by lines of longitude. Lines of longitude are the lines which divide up Earth, all of which go round Earth including the North and South Pole. The Earth is divided up into 24 wedge-shaped sections, each 15 degrees apart, and represents a time zone. Greenwich Mean Time, now renamed Coordinated Universal Time or UTC, was established in 1675 when the Royal Observatory in London developed it to help sailors at sea. But this did not mean that all of Britain used the Greenwich Mean Time. Before this, people used solar time, as shown by a sundial. This meant that London would have a different time to Bristol, 100 miles west of London, which would have a different time to Swansea, 200 miles west of London. This didn't matter until they introduced the railways. To run a railway efficiently, the whole country has to run on the same time. The railway companies used Greenwich Mean Time from 1847. At this point it was often called railway time. In the 1920s, a nautical standard time was operated at sea and represented an ideal time zones. Each time zone is split by 15 degrees of longitude. However, this does not suit all countries. Both France and Spain should technically use the same time as Britain, but both use Central European time, an hour ahead of Britain. Many countries use daylight saving time, such as our British summer time, which is 1 hour ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. Remember, spring forward, fall back. This means that there is more daylight during the working day. This saves many heating and lighting across the country. Must know facts about time zones. China is the largest country with just one time zone. Because the first and last time zones are 26 hours apart, any candidate exists somewhere on the globe for 50 hours. There are 22 places where 3 time zones meet. There are 40 different time zones. So there you have it. Just remember to change your watch every time you change the time zone. Back to the studio.